Welcome back, everybody. So I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season so far. I'm getting there. I managed to get all of my holiday decorations up, and most of my Halloween stuff is put away, except for the stuff that you can't see right off camera, where it's all just sort of like thrown over there in the corner. But if you're like me, well, don't be like me. I haven't started any of my holiday shopping yet, and I will do everything I can to procrastinate against that. But if you are in the same boat, I think this month's giveaway is going to hopefully help you out just a little bit with that. But before we get to that, as always, I do like to extend a special thank you to my patrons for the month that really help support the channel. And it's that support that is truly appreciated and certainly goes a long way toward these giveaways as well. So for December, we have the following patrons: Allison Waldron, Indiana Jones, B. Hugh, C. Tom, Carla Perea, Cathy Lacy, Gareth Frewer of Create at Home with G, Eerie Eric, Frady Zone, Halloween Inflatable Geek, Heather St. John, Jessica Thomason, Kip and Jace, Lady D, Lauren McLean, Paula Allison, Prince Alarming 85, Shannon Fredrickson, Sharon Thomas, Skullcrane Entertainment, Spooky Spectacle, Stephanie Schrutek, Stephen Miles, Teara, and Terry and Jacob's World. So thank you very much to all of my wonderful patrons out there. If anyone else out there is interested in supporting the channel, be sure to check out the link below. But I also want to show you some of the YouTube channels that are associated with my patrons so that you can join their channels too, and we'll see what they are up to. So let's take a look right now. I did want to take a moment before we jump into the patron pages just to share with you one of our patrons, Jared O'Lantern. He did unfortunately pass away right before Halloween this year. I didn't realize that. I was wondering what had happened since we hadn't seen any holiday video or Halloween video updates. But I was really sorry to hear about Jared's passing. It was unexpected, which is always such a shame. But he also had a Facebook page for his haunt, the Doughty Street Nightmare. So be sure to check it out. It looks like there's still updates going on every once in a while. Happy Thanksgiving and so forth. So if anything, be sure to swing by and send your condolences. I know his family would definitely appreciate it. But Jared was a great guy. He had a wonderful channel, all full of not only his haunt builds, but interesting product reviews, prop reviews, and so forth. So definitely Jared is going to be missed. All right, well, next up we have Indiana Jones, who is a longtime patron of the channel. And Indiana Jones has, well, she does, fun crafting videos and recipes and DIYs and so forth. But let's see what she has been up to since the last time we checked in. All right, she's been doing some thrifting. She's making some stuff on the road. Miniature candy shop, not really sure. Again, I haven't been doing my due diligence and keeping up with all of the wonderful videos that she puts out, because she does like to put out videos on a daily basis. A lot of live videos, a lot of crafting battles and so forth. Definitely wonderful content to keep you entertained throughout the holiday season. But look, we can make a candy cane light sign. That's interesting. Clearly she's decorating, doing some sort of challenge as that character from the Elf. I've actually never seen that movie. Really should see that one day. Crafting with Friends, Happy Tree, is that Bob Ross? That's hilarious. All right, I will definitely be checking out some of Indiana Jones's videos here pretty soon. All right, we also have Create at Home with G, and since our last check-in as well, it looks like he's doing some more holiday decorating videos, creating some ornaments and some cards that he's so well known for, and just some general decorating videos as well. Next up, we have Frady Zone, who also has a new video out, Hypnotized by Mrs. Claus, where she is deciding should she make this scary little animatronic any scarier, or is it just terrifying as it is, which it kind of is. So that's always fun. All right, Halloween Inflatable Geek. no new content, but he definitely does some Halloween inflatables, obviously, as well as some Halloween decorating and shopping and so forth. As you sow, eventually, hopefully, we'll get to see some content from her, but she's definitely does some fun costuming work and sewing projects. Skull Crane Entertainment does animatronic reviews. And let's see, what has there been since our last check-in? So we have, oh, that's creepy, a Spirit Halloween animated kitty cat zombie baby. Oh, kitty, is it kitty cat? Is it, I'm going to have to click on this. Let's see. It is, what is it eating? Is that a rat? Okay, so kitty cat, as in like kitty cat eating a rat. That's really creepy and fun. All right, so what else? Animatronic of the Month Club launch. I'll have to check out that, see what that's all about. But in the meantime, you can also check out all of his fun videos. Next up, we have Spooky Spectacle. Looks like she's showing off some of her Limax Spooky Town products. And let's see, Attacked by Krampus, where she does a makeup tutorial with some creepy scratches along her face. So I love, honestly, the makeup tutorials. I'm fascinated by them. It's nothing, I'm not creative or artistic enough to do it, so I love seeing other people who do that. So check that out. And then last up, we have Terry and Jacob's World. Let's see, since our last check-in, looks like, what have we been up to? Some Limax Halloween houses as well, but not only is it the Limax, but then we start moving into the Christmas villages as well. And then this last one intrigued me a lot. It is an Elvis Presley's Playhouse, which is kind of like this doll house. Let's see if we can find some pictures. I was looking at it earlier. That's the Graceland Mansion, complete with all the fun rooms that you would expect. But I won't ruin the surprise. Be sure to check it out. My computer doesn't want to load fast enough, but this is, I've always wanted to be an architect. I love little dollhouse creations and houses and playthings like that as well. So much fun. So we have a lot of fun videos this month as we leave Halloween behind us and work our way into the holiday season. And I guess that brings us to this month's giveaway. So again, if you're like me, you'll be doing lots of your shopping on Amazon.com this year, which means I need to give you one final plug. Of course, if you're going to be doing your holiday shopping on Amazon, be sure to click through the link in the description below. That is our referral link that just takes you to Amazon, and then you do your shopping, and it gives our channel a referral credit for any of your purchases on Amazon, and that really helps support the channel as well. So thank you all of you out there who do that. It is much appreciated. But again, speaking of Amazon, because I have enough to do before the holidays, I don't have time to be shipping out any boxes on my own, so we're not doing a Halloween gift box this month. I'm just going to do an Amazon gift card. So we will give away a $50 gift card this month. Hopefully that'll help you with your last minute shopping. And all you need to do to enter is leave me a comment below by next Tuesday. That's Tuesday the 15th, we will do a live drawing at 9 p.m. Eastern, so make sure you're entered by noon on next Tuesday the 15th. And let's see, you need to leave me a comment below telling me either one of two things. What is it you want for Christmas? And I'm not talking any sort of sappy, all I want for Christmas is you sort of BS. I need to see what sort of material item of value you want that I might be able to buy for somebody, because I need some ideas. Or you can leave me an idea of what you think I should buy Tom for Christmas, because I have no idea. But that'll get you entered, and we'll do the drawing at 9 p.m. Tuesday the 15th. So make sure you're entered, and you can join us live, and we will do an elimination again with our another fun clue game. And if you're not familiar with what I'm talking about, we just take a clue game out, add everybody to a clue character who's entered, and start eliminating them through the chat room. And eventually there will be one person left, and that person will win the $50 gift card. A lot of fun. You don't need to be entered, or you do need to be entered. You don't need to be present to win, but if you are, it's a lot more fun. So hopefully I will see you then, and hopefully I will get lots of good ideas for last minute gifts from you. So that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care, stay safe, happy haunting, and happy holidays.